Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Asahi Beer Suita Factory. Asahi Beer Suita Factory is in Suita City, Osaka. It's a famous place that shows the history of beer in Japan. The factory started in 1981, so it is one of the oldest beer factories in the country. Many visitors come here to learn how beer is made. The tour shows the process from ingredients to the final product. You can see how barley and hops are used to make beer, which helps visitors understand the basics. During the tour, you walk through areas that show brewing, fermenting, and packaging. These steps are important parts that create the taste of beer. It is interesting to see the machines that are used to make large amounts of beer. At the end of the tour, there is a tasting area where visitors can try fresh beer. You can taste Asahi Super Dry, which is one of the most popular beers in Japan. There are also soft drinks that are prepared for people who don't drink alcohol. In recent years, the factory has added tours in English and other languages. This helps foreign visitors to enjoy the experience more easily. Since 2023, new digital display has been added, which makes the tour more fun and easy to understand. The factory is in a quiet area that has both houses and green spaces. It is a good place to visit if you want to learn about Japanese food culture and technologies. The Asahi Beer Suita Factory is not only a factory, it is a place where you can learn, taste, and enjoy Japanese beer cultures. It's a great place to visit when you come to Osaka. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.